Today, I'm going to show you how to turn on Dev Mode in Wix Hunt step by step in a simple and relaxing way. First, open your Wix website and let the editor load completely. Once you're in the editor, look at the top menu bar. Here, you'll find an option called Dev Mode. Click on Dev Mode, and you'll see an option to turn it on. This will enable Wix Velo, which gives you access to advanced development tools, custom coding, and more control over your website's functionality. Once Dev Mode is enabled, you'll notice new panels appear on your editor, like the Code panel and Site Structure tools. You can now start adding custom code, creating database collections, and building dynamic pages. When you're done working with Dev Mode, you can always turn it off by clicking the same button. And that's it. Dev Mode is now active, giving you more flexibility to customize your Wix website. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.